Hello, welcome to a new unboxing clothing haul. We have another clothing haul, and this is, I believe, is from the Banana Republic. Because when you buy from Banana or from Atleta or from Gap, the bag is the same. So, and I didn't order anything from Gap, but I ordered from Banana Republic and I ordered from Atleta. So I just did an Atleta unboxing haul, and I don't know if I ordered something from Banana, so I don't know if it's from the Banana Republic. I always wait for the tax-free weekend to shop online for my kids, especially from Hannah Anderson and Atleta, because I consider them to have good quality material fabrics. And I also ordered from the Banana Republic, but I think this is for me. So let's see what I ordered for me. Ooh, let's see. I like to order clothing from the Banana Republic. You know, I have been comparing clothes from Banana Republic, from H&M, and also from Zara, and the quality of the stitching and the fabric from Zara. Like I was saying, I've been comparing clothes from Banana Republic, H&M, and Zara, and the quality of the stitching and stitches in the fabric from those places is very low quality. But the quality of the fabric from Banana Republic is a lot better, by 100% better than H&M and Zara. I really like it, and I don't know, I'm not an expert on styling, or I'm not an expert in clothing, fabric, none of that. Just a regular, normal consumer. And I can see with my inexperience that the quality of the clothing from the Banana Republic is super high, better high quality than H&M and Zara. And Zara is very popular. H&M is also popular, and it's from Europe. But the quality of the stitching and the fabric is very low. And Banana Republic is really nice. I really like it. I like the fabric and the stitching. It is very well made, and I'm not an expert. I'm just saying. This is a pants from the Banana, and I think this is number 4. I mentioned before that I'm losing weight. My previous size was 6 and sometimes 8 from Banana, but now size 4 fit me. So I have ordered a few other pants from Banana Republic with size on size 4. So I'm going to, I like this pants because it's very high waist. Look the back. The color is yellow, and I really like this color because and this has, what is this? This is like a short. But I really like it. This is nice. This is a very nice pair of pants. I'm gonna try it on in a little bit. I just don't know if the length is too, I don't know if it's too long for me, but I'm gonna try it on right now so you can see. Let's go to the next. This is another pant. Oh yes, and it's another yellow. I bought this because they were on sale during the tax-free weekend here in Texas. And this is, oh my God, this fabric is so fresh. Ay, ay, ay. This is another, oh, this is a small. Oh yeah, because if it's in letter, I'm small at the banana. If it's with number, I'm 4 right now. And this is another yellow. They were having a lot of yellow clothes for summer. And this is another pants. Oh my God, I really like this. You know why I like this? Because this one has elastic in the back and not elastic at the front. I don't like when they have elastic at the front because it makes my belly looks big. But yes, I do like when they have the elastic in the back because it makes me feel more comfortable. So I really like these pants. And they didn't have another style because like I said, these styles were for summer 2022 and everything is going out and they are putting in sale wherever is left from the collection, from this summer collection that is gonna pass soon. So they are selling everything because they only sell for seasons, and before fall they put the summer sale everything from the season. Like right now we're in summer and they are already selling a lot of things from this season, and they don't have all the sizes and all the colors. And I don't like to spend money on clothing, like full price clothing. I like to wait for the sales. And this is nice. I really like the fabric, I really like the style, and I really like the elastic in the back and not elastic in the front. And I like these colors. Now that I'm losing weight, I enjoying more lighter and colorful colors. Before, when I was like, to me, I was overweight, 136 pounds. It sounds short. I didn't feel comfortable, so I started wearing only black clothes. But now that I'm losing weight, I'm starting to enjoy lighter colors. That's just me. Let's see the next. The next 2 products in this bag. Last 2 products. Okay, these are pants, but these are from the previous winter. These were on clearance, and I like to buy clothes from winter in summer because in winter the new collections are really expensive, and like I said many times, I don't like to spend to buy products at regular price when I can pay 70% less later. These are over $100 at regular price. Let me see the regular price. The regular price was $130, and I pay for these pants like $35. These pants are, this is size 6 and it looks small to me from the waist. But I also like the idea of the elastic in the back and this type of closure in the front. And this is kind of wool mixed with cotton. So these are mostly for winter. Or if I want to, maybe I can use this for travel because airports and planes are really cold. So this is nice. I'm happy I could get them. And these were like the last one on my size online. And I guess this one is the same. And that one is gray and this is black. Oh yes, it's about the same. This kind of wool with cotton. Let me see if I can see the, yes, it has 76% wool. And let me see the gray one, because they look a little different. It's not the same fabric. The gray one is 75% recycled wool, 22% polyamide or polyamide, I don't know. And the black one is 76% wool and 25%. Yeah, the formula is different, but basically the same material. This has more little hairs, fabric hair, and this is more, and this is kind of softer, and this is a little bit more like hairy. Very happy with my purchase. And this one also have, the black one also have the elastic in the back, and it has this this type of closure in the front. And this is size 6. And this one is size 4, but like I said, the style is very different, because this one is kind of wider, and this one is, it looks smaller, and it's 6. And the price was 130 regular price, and I bought both pants like probably less than $30, maybe 30, 35. So that's why I like to wait. Okay, yes. Well, and that's it for this video. I hope you enjoy watching my clothing hauls. I know my channel is beauty, but I like to throw some lifestyle, clothing, family. I'm gonna keep doing makeup, and I'm gonna keep doing skincare, and I also gonna keep doing fragrances. But since I'm going on vacation soon, I'm trying to get my my clothes ready and everything ready for my kids and me. And I'm taking advantage and making videos and show you what I got, so I can show you fabric, how they look, and everything that I can do as possible, whatever I can do. And I like to have everything here on my channel. I like to do my videos for my personal reasons, and also to show the people who is interested to see how the products look like, and also do my reviews, and also for entertainment. Well, see you in my next video. Bye.